Similarly, this work pack 5 is not in our scope of work, and work pack 6 is not our scope of work. Then we start with work pack 7, 8, and 9. They are in our scope of work, and it gives a very, very good detail about. Just a minute. Let me go down. This is work pack 7. This is in our scope of work. It includes cable laying. It
Sir,
includes the
but
instrument.
this sheet which you are showing is the same repetition of all the items which is on each work packs.
Yeah.
Approximately.
Yes, it is the repetition on each of this
Yes.
against each work pack. So here write like
I
which
can
is
send you this. I can send you this
yeah,
sheet,
this will
and
help.
you have to align whatever you have prepared in relation to this one.
Yes. Okay. So yes, I was thinking the same approach. What is my proposal? I want to make one master sheet which is applicable for all.
For all the
For all,
work
yeah.
packs.
For all the
So
work pack.
yes. So
So
on left hand side, we have to mention that these are the work pack which are in the scope of work,
yeah.
and they have to be.
Yes, correct. So I mean, you can send this sheet to me, and
I will send
you
it
can
across to you.
and you can
It's a BV document, Bureau Veritas document.
yes. So and you can guide me which is the biggest. I mean, which activity or work phase has got everything. So I will